As you can see, gang, I took the old exhaust blower off. As you can see, it's old. It's rusted and it's got a lot of in play here. It was hit and miss. It would run fine sometimes, and then other times it wouldn't come on at all. And another thing I'm going to show you, I'm going to put this on the floor, is this. This is the pressure switch. This is what activates when that blower is turning. It's hitting. There's a micro switch inside that turns it on, which will tell the furnace to cut on. But if it's not working, it will go into safety. Another thing is these hoses that connect to this little port here, and it goes to that blower motor. If this is damaged and it's not getting a suction, it will not come on. And I've noticed that this one is loose, so I'm going to have to trim it down a little bit when I put it back on. But that's the pressure switch. If your furnace goes into safety and it says pressure switch stuck closed, it could be this, could be the blower motor, or it could be the hose. And the first thing I'd check would be the hose. And two, there's something else that it could be. As you can see, this old motor is all corroded. It's got this little port right here where that hose connects. This hose, it goes right in here. If that little port is clogged up right here, if that's clogged up, it too will send that signal. So you need to check this port, check the hose, check the pressure switch, or it could be this is gone bad. The motor here could be going bad. What's happening with this one is these tangs for where you plug the electrical wires to, one of them is bad. I believe it's this one, top, which would be, well, this one would be the top. It wasn't getting a good connection. So anyway, this is the old one, and I'm going to show you the new one. When you order these, you need to, there's a serial number down here, and it's got the model number of this furnace. So I looked up the model number to get the right parts. But as you know, parts now take longer to get, so don't wait until it's 10 degrees outside and your unit kicks off and throws a code and there's nowhere to get the parts. So what I do is I'd either have a technician look at it in the fall before it gets real cold, or if you think something is going wrong with it yourself, clean it up, vacuum, and if the parts look like they're worn or damaged, replace them before, you know, winter gets here, and it'll take a week or so to get the parts, because in the middle of winter these heating and air conditioning companies, they're booked, and you won't be able to get anyone to service your unit for a few days probably. So that's a tip. Before it gets cold, check your units before the winter, so your unit will work when it's real cold. And let me show you the new blower motor. Let's see. Here is the brand new unit. It comes already with the gasket attached, so all you need to do is put it on. The old motor, where the tangs were to plug it in, were on this side, but on this one it's in the opposite direction. If I had to, I could rotate this around, but I don't think it'll be a problem. And here it is, brand new unit. And no end play. See, it's all good and tight. Everything is brand new. And you can get this online if you can do it yourself, or you can have a company come out and put one on, but I'm going to tell you, it's going to be expensive. I got this one at a reasonable price, but online they range anywhere from, I've seen them anywhere from $200 to $500 for this blower, this exhaust blower motor. All brand new. Alright, I'm gonna stick this on and be back with you in a little bit.